This book will make you money, but only if you take action. This is Tim Bennett, and in a moment, I'm going to show you what you can do. So before we get started, just a quick little message from me, a small disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I am not giving you financial advice in any way. I'm sharing with you some information for educational purposes. I'm sharing with you some websites that I personally use and I've been using for over a year or so. And I have been paid by all of them. And as I made this video, they are presently operational and presently paying me. Now, I can't guarantee they always will. So when you use them, if you use them, please take full responsibility for whatever you do. I am not connected in any way to any of these websites, and I cannot offer you support in any way for any of these websites. If you do any kind of investing, please do not use, in my opinion, you should not use any money that you cannot afford to lose. However, I'm going to show you websites where you don't need to invest any money at all. I've never invested any money in any of these websites whatsoever, and they have made me money. So if that's all cool with you, please remember I'm not a financial advisor. Please make your own financial decisions. And if that's all good, then let's get started and let's show you how to make some money. My objective with this series called Addicted to Bitcoin is to help you make money really easily. Now, you might not know anything about Bitcoin, and that's cool. You absolutely don't have to know anything about Bitcoin to get started. I will explain everything as we go along. I will show you how to make Bitcoin. I will show you how to convert Bitcoin into money, no matter where you live in the world. And best of all, the most exciting part of this is it's really easy to make money. If you have internet and you have a cell phone or a laptop, you can make money. So gone are the days when it was really hard to make money. New technology, new ideas, new things come along, and if you embrace them, especially if you embrace them early on, you can make a lot of money. Now, Addicted to Bitcoin is actually the title of a book that I wrote that told my story of how at the beginning of 2017, I was cash flow broke. I had the electricity on my house turned off, and my life wasn't looking very good. It was certainly not the life that I promised my beautiful Jane that I would give her. I promised her so much more. And here we were in a situation where we were almost broke, had the power in our house turned off, and it was very depressing. And then a friend of mine introduced me to Bitcoin, and I had no idea what it was. I'd heard about it, but I was very skeptical. He showed me Bitcoin, and I made a little bit of money the next day. And then the next day I made a little bit more, and I made a bit more, and it kept growing and growing and growing. And by the end of 2018, I was traveling around Asia, living a wonderful life. So the first thing I want you to do is click the subscribe button beneath this video so that you can get access immediately as I release all the new videos showing you how to make money. And isn't that what we want? We want more money. This book will make you money. And you downloaded it yesterday, and it's part of the Addicted to Bitcoin series. And I want to welcome you for being here. And awesome that you took the first step. It's really, really fantastic. So what's really cool about what I'm going to show you is everything is 100% free. The only thing you need is either a cell phone or a laptop or desktop if you have, an internet connection, and you can start making money. And I'm going to show you CryptoTab today, and I'm on CryptoTab right now. You can see up here in the top left-hand corner, CryptoTab browser. And let me just ask you a question. If you're on Firefox, has Firefox ever paid you for using it? I bet they haven't. How about Chrome? Has Chrome paid you, or Internet Explorer, or Safari, or Opera, whichever browser you're using, have they ever paid you for being online? I know the answer. The answer is no. Well, I get paid for being online. I'm getting paid right now, this very minute, while I'm making this video, I get paid when I'm on Facebook. I get paid when I'm reading my emails. I get paid when I'm browsing. As long as I use CryptoTab, I am getting paid. So is that cool? And it's 100% free. So is that super cool? Okay, so let me show you how to get CryptoTab browser started. So yesterday you subscribed and you should have downloaded this book, Will Make You Money, How to Make Money for Free. And if you open the book, you will see a link to CryptoTab. It's also on the screen right now, and I will also put it in the description down below. So just click on the link in whatever browser you have, whether it be Firefox or Chrome or whichever one you have. Just click on the link and it will take you to a page that looks just like this. Very cute, all the Bitcoins falling. And what I would suggest that you do is take a little bit of time just to get to understand it a little bit. Just have a browse through the page, watch the video that explains how it all works and what it does. And I'm sure you'll get all your questions answered here. And then once you've satisfied yourself, you can click on Learn More. It will take you to another page where you will be given the opportunity to download the world's first browsing, mining, CryptoTab system. Installing it is really easy. You just follow the instructions. So you can click here on download, or if you scroll down just a little bit, you will see download here again. And you can download this on your cell phone. I have it running on my cell phone. I have it running on my laptops. And I've got 2 or 3 laptops that I have it running on as well. You just click on download. It will just ask you to accept and install. You click on accept and install. And you know how to download programs. You just go and run it. If you're on a Windows system, it will probably put it into your download folder. If you're on a Mac, which is what I'm using, it'll probably put it into your applications folder. And then once you've downloaded it, you just go and click on it and get it running. If you have any questions about that, put a question down beneath in the chat area, or go to my website at bitcointrainingcamp.com and send me a message there. So let me close Safari, and you will see that I'm in CryptoTab. Okay, and over here I have the CryptoTab browser running and making me money. And you just saw it updating there. It will update about every 10 minutes or so. And as you can see on this particular occasion, I've got $5.8 that it's made me so far. Now, I am pretty sure that you've never been paid by Firefox. I'm pretty sure you've never been paid by Chrome or any other browser. This CryptoTab browser has paid me so far something in the region of about $30 for using it over the last year. Now, I know it's not a lot of money, but hey, I'll take $30 any day. And I can browse in exactly the same way as I do in any other system. On Firefox or on Chrome, I can go to Facebook, I can go read all my emails, I can look at all the websites, and I get paid while I'm doing it. Now, it's only very small amounts of money coming in, or very small amounts of Bitcoin, but over time it grows. It's a little bit like a seed. You plant a little seed, and one day it becomes a huge forest. But it takes time. This is definitely not get rich quick. It's a get rich slow system, and you have to be consistent at it. So, you know, every time I go online, I use CryptoTab. I don't use anything else. This is my only browser I ever have open. And I've also taken the link down here. You see my ID link here. I share this on Facebook. I share it on social media. I send it to my friends. And as you can see, I've got 189 people who have clicked on that link and joined CryptoTab. And you can see this is what they've earned me so far. So my earnings are here, $2.7, and my affiliates, the 189 people over here, have earned me $3.1. So I actually earn more from the affiliates than I do from myself. Now, you don't have to share this with anyone, but I suggested you do, because hey, why not help your friends make some extra money, and at the same time you will earn a little bit more from them as well. So once you've got CryptoTab browser open and running, you can go and check any website that you want whatsoever. But the way to get this page open is up here on the right hand side. you will see the little icon. If you click on that, it will open this page. And what happens is it uses the unused part of your memory to run itself. So if you find things are going a little bit slow, because maybe you've got an older computer, you can actually turn down how fast it runs. So you can turn it off, you can 50%, 60%, 100%. I'm on a fairly new MacBook Air, so I have it running max all the time. I hardly even notice it's running. It doesn't affect anything at all. And what happens is, as I use more resources on my computer, it automatically adjusts and slows down. Sometimes it will go to 0. And then once I stop using the resources, hey, it goes back to what it is now, 600. It's 600 right now because I've got quite a lot of tabs open, but this is normally running at about 1000. And the faster your computer is, the faster this will run. Okay, so I'm not going to show you and explain how every little part of it works right now, but I thoroughly recommend this program. I've been paid, and I'll show this in another video, I've been paid by them 4 or 5 times so far. I've been using it over a year. I think it's absolutely amazing. I'll explain how it works a little bit more. But hey, download CryptoTab, get itself running, and get yourself earning some money. Earning Bitcoin is one of the easiest things I've ever done. I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to do anything. I literally have to turn on my computer and open CryptoTab browser, and hey presto, I'm earning. It might be small right now, but I promise you with time, it certainly grows. This is a very safe way to get involved in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. If you don't understand what Bitcoin is, it's okay. You don't need to understand at this point what it is. You don't need to understand how to use it. In fact, you don't need to understand anything about Bitcoin right now. I will explain it as we go along through this series. So don't forget to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this with your friends, because if you click the subscribe button, every time I create a video, it will send you an update immediately and you will not miss anything. You get paid. And that's what it's all about. We want to make more money. So let's make more money, get CryptoTab going. As I said, you don't have to understand anything about it whatsoever. It's a very safe way to get in. You get paid for using a system. There is no financial investment whatsoever. You never have to put any money into CryptoTab ever, ever, ever. So this is a very safe way to get started. And also, I will explain over coming videos what Bitcoin is, why we have it, and how to use it. So don't panic right now if you go, I had no idea what it is. Do not worry. Hey, and I don't know how electricity works, but I use it every day. So you don't absolutely have to know how everything works in order to use it. So get yourself started. You got any questions? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section down beneath. And let's all make some money. And I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, I'll show you how CryptoTab works. And I'll also talk about another system that I'm using as well. Until then, have an absolutely amazing day. Bitcoin is freedom.